In the tall wood I found him dead, white as smoke, the skeletal sketch in his bone china head. Sleeping on a cross-hatch bed in the cathedral of pines, his fallen needle nameless as mine. Absent yet present on this life and death errand, waiting like a marble in Kaplunk. I gathered him up, featherweight of grief, looked through his eyes to see death in the endless sky, and feeling his breath match the tide of mine, I softly whispered, "Here, go on then, take him." This excommunication, this song, this silent migration,